Hello, guys. My name is Antonio Robinson, and I've been working in the mental health profession for around about 7 years now. Um, I've worked in a residential population starting from level 2 up to level 3. I served also as a residential manager, and I have taken those facilities. Currently, I'm in the day treatment program, helping kids with psychoeducation, giving them tools and the necessary thinking mechanisms to help them transition back to regular public school. One of my experiences with research, really not been a good one as far as the academic setting goes. Researching something that I really like really enjoys me, so I'm all in and all for it. But academically, in the undergrad program, the class that we had at Research Methods, it was so full of jargon that it was very disheartening. I couldn't understand it, couldn't read through the material, and the teacher really wasn't giving us the information well, and it was a kind of a scattered class, pretty much. It was somewhat of a group project, but it really wasn't um, a lot of hands-on from the teacher. We was expected to know already what we should do, but I was a little lost in that. But we managed to get through it, the group, and we passed with an A. It was very interesting, but also it kind of turned my head away from research. The things that make research fun is really learning about something that you're interested in. You're so ready to soak up all the information about what you want to learn and gathering new insights on it, things that you didn't know, or maybe add to stuff that you already knew. So that's a plus. One thing about the syllabus that really excited me was doing group work. I was dreading, like, oh my gosh, like a big, long, drawn out research paper that I had to do individually. But it was great to see that we're going to be doing this in a group fashion so we can learn from one another and kind of make it seem like we're doing a big research project and collecting data and all that good stuff. So I'm looking forward to working with new people that I see that has came along in this class. I'm really looking forward to that, and I hope you guys have a blessed and safe day.